Hello there, welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. If you're new here, I teach piano, and in today's lesson we're going to be learning about the triad chords. Now in one of my previous videos I discussed the C major scale, and in this video we're going to jump into the chords, and we're going to start with C major because it's the most basic. There's nothing crazy going on. And a triad is three, three. So it's going to be three notes, and a chord is played, the notes are played all together. So with a C, you're going to have middle C right here, and then the E and G. And all three are played at the same time. Now it's the same thing in the bass clef, but of course everything shifts down a little bit. So in the bass clef on the spaces we've got A, C, E, G. So that lines up nicely because we've got C, E, and G. All nicely right there. So in the treble, they're all on lines, and in the bass, they're all on the spaces. And this is true with every scale that you can think of, when whatever key you want. So let's say we're in the D major scale instead of the C. We'll jump to D. It's got one sharp, at least in the chord. So that one will look like this. D, F sharp, and A. And again, everything shifts in the bass. So when you go down to the bass, here it's on spaces. In the bass, the D major chord is going to be on the lines. So we've got D on that line, F sharp, and an A. So let's jump over to the piano and see what these sound like when you play them. Alright, so we're looking at the piano now, and when we're playing the C major triad chord, we're gonna just start on middle C because that's what we normally do, and it's easiest. So here's middle C. Notice how my hand lands right like that with the thumb on the C. And with triads, you're going to play with your first finger, your third finger, and your fifth finger, all at the same time. So you're going to want to lift your second and your fourth finger, and then these three are going to stay down, and at the same time, you're going to press. And there you have it. That's a middle C triad chord. Same thing in the left hand. And jump down here to the bass. Again, first, third, and fifth finger. And then lifting the second and fourth and playing at the same time. Now the D major chord that I mentioned earlier, here's the C. D major has an F sharp. Now these black keys can be either sharp or flat depending on the key that you're in, but that's a different video. The point is right here is we're going to play D major, so we've got a D, an F sharp, and an A. Played at the same time. And notice I still have my second and my fourth finger up because triads are going to be played with first, third, and fifth in either hand. So D major there in the right hand, and then in the bass clef over here. And there you go. D, F, A. In its simplest form, that is a triad chord. So if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments. And if there's anything in particular you'd like to learn, again, let me know. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, then make sure you subscribe so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and enjoy.